What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. This is day 56.5. I don't know if you guys watched the last video, but I said watch out, it might be a 56.5. I got extra time. And yeah, my extra time, my spare time, I tend to just work on little side projects. And yeah, I'm working on this Tailwind project here. I'm just playing around with it, so I just cut on the camera. And you know, this is the best way to learn. It's just by doing. So yeah, I'm learning Tailwind by just creating a little project. And Imagine Media, just made up little project. And yeah, this is what I came up with last night. The header section. I'm trying my best to make it responsive. The shit is hard. So I got this part down. I still gotta fix that. And you know, it comes out. I'm okay with that, and it goes right there. So these texts gotta go smaller on that breakpoint. And then you know, it come out, and then there looks good, I believe. You know, I don't think screen's gonna go that wide all the way over there, but I mean, I probably should add like a max width and a min width on like the whole container itself. So I think I might do that. But right here is the normal desktop size, which I think it looks okay. And it's just put like making absolute position, I mean, like when you're doing positioning and like making it responsive, it's just fucking hard. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably easy to some people, but the shit's fucking hard to me, especially when you got Tailwind. You know, you got all this. Look at this shit. It's a bunch of goddamn code in my HTML. No CSS. Look at my CSS file. That's my CSS file. So I mean, obviously they do that. The output itself, got the word for it, but this is what Tailwind output to the browser for it to work. But this is all I put into my CSS file. All right, so let's see what we can do. Just, I don't know, let's just start. I think I might just start with this, like this, and just work my way up. Should always try to do mobile. First things first, I want this to be 100 viewport. I mean 100 view height. So let's go to this, I believe, and let's do, so we got MD 60 min height, 60 VH, let's do 100. See if that fixes it. All right, so yeah, that's what I want right there. Okay. Whoa, what the? Oh, I never seen that. That's cool. Alright, so we got our links. So this part is done. The nav bar is complete. I think the nav bar looks great. Alright, so now let's work on this section here. And let me make sure you guys can see before I start. Probably should move this over here. All right, so yeah, I got about 30 minutes. Just work on this a little bit, and you know, tonight I might work on it some more. All right, so obviously I want the text to be bigger, so let's go down. And this one downside about using Tailwind is it's confusing once you try to go back and fix some things. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so MD text 8L. So I want to, let's do text 3XL. See how that looks. Okay, maybe 4XL. Alright, Imagine Media, dreams come true. So for the dreams come true, I'm gonna keep this. I'll do MD with that. And then by default, I just want it to be text 1XL. See how that looks. All right, that looks good. All right, so yeah, I want two buttons here. Let's do, maybe I have to put these buttons inside a div. And I'm gonna do a class of flex. I use Flexbox way too much. All right, was about to say what happened. I set it on a button. I'm just gonna make my own button, man. Alright, so we're gonna do a href and then I don't know, let's do contact and then pricing maybe. It's a made up site, so it don't gotta be perfect. Just a little practice site for the portfolio. I'm just trying to have as much sites and working stuff as I can. Once I learn the back end, like right now, that's all I know is front end. I can make a site look great, but I know nothing about back end. So hopefully, once I learn back end in my boot camp, I can, start doing like logins. And, you log in, you get a user and user profile and stuff like that. So that's what I'm really hoping to do. So flex, gap. Let's do 6. All right. And let's give this a margin top of 6. All right, perfect. All right, so href, let's give it a class. Hate when it don't auto class. And let's give it a BG. We gotta go get our colors. Coolers, baby, coolers. Where's this one? Oh, it moved back up to 2. Okay. It was like 4 yesterday or some shit. Alright, so for the background, this one I want it to be this pink. BG. BG. Alright. See how that looks. Alright. And then we're gonna give it a padding all around of 6. Let's see how that looks. It's gonna be too big. Let's do padding of 2. Pattern of 1. Okay. And let's do rounded. And a text white. And shadow. Shadow LG. I think it's gonna give it like a bigger shadow for the button. That looks nice. And then for the text, we're gonna do a drop shadow. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm not even editing the text. That's a whole different thing. Alright, so that I don't like that pattern. So I'm gonna do a pattern top of 1, and then actually let's do a pattern top and PY of 1, and then a PX of 2. Maybe let's see how that looks. Okay, that don't look bad now. Alright, and I like that. Then for this button, let's give it a class. Let's copy everything over and just change up some stuff. But for the color, maybe this light pink. Let's see how that looks. I think I might just keep it this pink. Keep them both like that. All right, and believe we can add like hover shit on here too. So let's see. I never did it yet. So hover, and then we'll do a, so for the hover, let's just change the color and see what works first. So text black. Okay, so yeah, it works. Okay, so text black. Let's do a BG of our light pink, which is this one. BG of our light pink, and that. I like that. And then let's give it a duration of 500. I don't know if I'm adding that right. I think it's dash actually. I added it up here. Yeah, it's dash. Let's do duration 500. Ooh, I like that. Perfect. All right, let's copy that to our other button. Okay, there we go. That looks nice. Okay, maybe not. The pattern top. It's just like the buttons don't look right. So maybe let's give it a can I give it like a 0. Pattern maybe 0.5 pixels. Can I do that? I'm getting calls. Okay, maybe not. Let's see what this PX looks like. Yeah, it don't look right either. PY1. Alright, PY1 it is, I guess. Alright, that looks nice. That looks good. Practice site, nothing too spectacular. Alright. Alright, so now the hard part is fucking making this shit responsive. So in my opinion, it looks good there as well. So that looks good. Let's see. So gotta see where I left off yesterday because this shit was confusing me and I got so pissed off. I'm not gonna lie. So look, I had to add like all of these fucking like media queries. So I had to do MD, LG. Okay, so MD is this one. So hold on. Hold on, I just want to see something. I just gotta get my mind right first. Hold on. Okay. So 6. I want to keep that 6. All right. So there. This should be MD, I think. But let me make sure. So MD. I want to do left 0 and just see if it moves. I think this is large, right? Yeah, so that's large. So I want to, so I need to fix this part here. And I think that's large. Oh, okay, I already got an MD left 0, that's why. So let's do, yeah, let's get rid of that. And then let's do MD5 and see if it moves right here. It's not moving. I want to move this up some. Actually, I know it'll be better. Let's keep this 0. And so we got an MD with 1,000. Let's change this to 500 and just see what happens. And this is the circle behind it. Okay, so that's MD right there. Okay, so MD is right there. Okay, so hold on. Tailwind. I was getting so mad at this yesterday. So we got XL, small, so that's obviously small. The smallest to there. So MD hits at 768. Okay, so MD hits at 768. Okay, so all of that up to there is small. Okay, gotcha. All right, so that's all small. All of that is small. Okay. So yeah, it'll just gonna have to stay like that for now. I was hoping to like maybe fix this up a little bit. I mean, still doesn't look bad. In my opinion, it still looks good. You know, right there. We have the circle over there. Not bad at all, actually. And then here's MD. So this is what we need to fix up. And let's change this back to 1,000. Okay, wait. Oh, no. Hold on. 600 for that. And then it's 1,000. Wait. Oh my God. With 1,000. Okay, there we go. All right, so yeah, I really like this, but we gotta take down. So we gotta take down the text. So we got MD text 2XL. Imagine so MD text 8XL. Let's do text 2XL. Maybe like 3XL. Four XL, 6XL. Ooh, I like that. Okay, that's all we really need. That's all we needed was that. And then come out, and then there we go. But we need to. Hold on. I still haven't fixed that bug either where it goes like, you see like when he comes out and it goes up like that. Still haven't fixed that bug. I'm not sure how to do it. Comes out. Perfect. And then it goes in. I like how it gets bigger right there. That's nice. It goes in. Alright. My opinion, this is for a practice site, you know, I'm just not trying to, you know, overdo it. Like I said, it's just whenever I got free time, I just come here and learn some Tailwind. But yeah, this looks great. I think I might end this here actually. Not the whole site, but I'm gonna add on to it. I'm gonna add another section. But for now, this section looks good, especially mobile. I like the mobile. And comes out. So right there, that looks great. That's medium. And then large, it's right there. And it looks really good, actually. Yeah, it looks really good. I mean, we could probably add some stuff like here, maybe some like icons. I've seen it done before, like on like a design that looked like this. They had like some icons here, or maybe like right there, but I don't know how that's gonna look. Yeah, it'll probably look good on mobile too, having some icons right here. Yeah, I think I might add that later. For now, I have to go, so 20 minutes is me working on some Tailwind stuff, not too much. But yeah, that is day 56.5, and I gotta go pick up my son from school. And see you guys tomorrow. There won't be no more parts today. Yeah, so off camera, I might work on this side a little bit more. Like I said, it's just a side project. I do have a lot to do in my travel agency project that I'm working on, so I'm gonna work on that today as well. And I have some other stuff that I want to do as well. But yeah, peace out. See you guys tomorrow.